boy puppet, Daddy.
You want Daddy?
Oh, you want me to have the boy puppet?
Boy puppet.
I guess because I'm a boy, huh?
Yes.
Hey, superhero. I want you to give a compliment to Fuzzy.
Fuzzy, you have fuzzy ears.
Thank you. I like them. I like my cape.
Oh, see? I think Fuzzy gave you a nice compliment.
What was my nice compliment?
I like your red cape.
What's my red cape do?
Makes you fly because you're a superhero.
Nice.
Does real superheroes fly?
Yes.
Yes. Can I give you a compliment, superhero?
Yes.
Can you look at me? I love your pretty blue eyes. Oh, I gave you a kiss.
Excuse me. Can somebody pay attention to me?
Oh, it's the boy puppet.
I just want to know when I'm going to get this tag off my hand. It's terrible.
Just again.
Can somebody tell me when this tag's going to come off my hand? It really hurts.
Well, we were waiting to see if we liked you and wanted to keep you, but I think we do.
Well, please, I'm tired of trying to explain to everybody why it costs $39.95.
Oh my! We better help him, superhero.
Poor boy puppet.
Bryce,
Poor boy puppet.
Bryce, do you like tags on your clothes?
Yes.
No, you don't. We always have to cut your tags off your clothes.
Superhero, give the boy puppet a compliment. Tell him something nice.
Do you
We
like
have
my...
a pretty tag, skill puppets.
Oh, thanks a lot. I get compliments on it all the time.
That's why we kept it on you.
Please, get this tag off of my hand.
What do you think, superhero?
Oh, what are you trying to bite my hand? That hurt. Ah,
I'm trying to take your tag off.
well, can't you see I need some scissors?
Yeah.
Goodness,
Get some sound.
superheroes need scissors too, you know. Ow, oh.
Yeah, when I listen to these, I'm gonna try to take it off.
It just flaps around, you know.
Should we take it off?
It really is an eyesore.
Just a minute. You gotta be gentle.
Why?
Oh, is that better?
Thank you so much.
It's all better.
Why do you need to take that tag off?
Well, I couldn't pick up anything. You know, I had that thing on there.
Should we take girl puppet's tag off? She doesn't complain, but you know. You want to keep her?
Yes.
You want to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Cut it gently.